Welcome back for another Agix price prediction analysis video, and on this video I will be discussing the short-term and also the long-term price action to expect on the Agix chart for the next coming hours and also days. And at the time of this recording, Agix is holding above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support on the 0.58, and Agix has also given us an aggressive pump in a move that has now given us a high above the 0.86126 in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And zooming out on the charts to first give you my long-term Elliot analysis, you can see that back in 2022 we saw these significant lows before we saw an aggressive pump in a move that gave us a high above the 0.67 in a move that I'm terming as the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of the first wave, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we fully maximized. We saw much of a consolidation within the blue target area before we finally saw the breakout to the upside, breaking above significant areas of resistances, flipping them back into support in a move that has now given us a high above the 0.86. And I still expect higher prices in the formation of this wave 3 to the upside, because using the trend-based Fibonacci, which is a tool that can give us the minimum target areas for that wave 3, if I connect the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 1.88, which is the minimum target area that I have for that wave 3 to the upper side. And what that means is that in case Agix continues to hold above significant areas of supports in the next coming hours, there are high chances that we are going to see another massive push to the upside, breaking above the 0.86126, which is the all-time high, and give us another high above the 1.18 in the next coming days. Alternatively, in case in the next coming days we continue seeing that bearish momentum here on the charts, then that will be suggesting that we are going to see lower prices in the next coming days before we can see another push to the upside. And using the Fibonacci's, we can be able to get target areas for that breakdown move by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low that we made below the 0.235 to that high above the 0.86, giving us a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket, and that is between the 0.55073 and the 0.47633, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. So this is the breakdown target area that I have here on the Agix chart, in case in the next coming hours we continue seeing that breakdown move, losing significant areas of support in the next coming hours. This is an area within which we can expect that breakdown move to get us into, find support, maybe see much of a consolidation before we can finally see another reversal to the upside, breaking to the upside, giving us new all-time highs. But if by any chance we see the breakdown move into the golden pocket, maybe see much of a consolidation, and then finally see the break to the lower side, losing significant areas of support, then there are high chances that we can easily see Agix give us a breakdown move to the 0.35, where we have another significant area of support. So that is the price action that I'm watching out for here on the Agix chart for the next coming hours and also days. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.